My name is Zuzana Hofmanová. I'm a leader of Genetic History Research Group at Max-Planck-Institute of Evolutionary Anthropology in Leipzig and at Masaryk University in Brno. My scientific group is helping to create and analyze a large dataset of ancient DNA data for the HistoGenes project. We receive or prepare bone powders sampled from human remains found at the archaeological sites from roughly 5th to 10th century AD. These sites were carefully chosen together with our archaeological collaborators from many sites excavated in Central Europe. From these bone powder samples, DNA is extracted and sequenced in Leipzig in our ancient DNA core facility. In my group, we process the data bioinformatically and we lead genetic analysis in several sub-projects that usually group several sites together in the aim to answer long-standing questions. I'm coordinating the work of the team on the Leipzig site on a daily basis. I guide junior members of my group in genetic analysis, and I use my interdisciplinary background to work jointly on publications with the rest of HistoGenes team. The results that we produce are showing us biological relationships between individuals, between archaeological sites, between groups, between geographical regions, and between chronological periods. These connections are then put together with archaeological and anthropological information and are interpreted together with historical knowledge. For example, we can tell who was biologically related to whom and if these biological relationships, or their absence, are mirrored in the archaeological findings related to these individuals, and if these relationships can be linked to the knowledge that we have about the behavior of these people from historical sources. We can also see demographic changes between different chronological periods and connect them to human mobility between various regions. Recently, among many others, I have been working very closely with historian Walter Paul, archaeologists Bendegus Tobias, Geoffrey Ras, Levente Samu, and Tivadar Vida, and anthropologists from the National Museum in Vienna. We have online meetings several times a week, and my role is often to explain the genetic analysis and its implications, and to coordinate the joint analysis. These interactions are helping me to understand other fields in more detail, but moreover, they allow me to exactly identify gaps in what we know about our past, and how we can aim our joint analysis more precisely. Thanks to our joint work, I have also become better in communicating our results to a wider audience. I hope that with the HistoGenes project, we can create a better understanding of capabilities and limitations of genetic analysis for the study of the past, and that this will spark a lot of follow-up research. I also hope that we can generate knowledge about past societies, about their formations, their internal structures, their connections, and their disappearances. All that has been too often lost in time, and is present only in the fragmentary historical records, often only existing today for some periods, only for some regions, and only for some members of the society. Individual stories of all the people matter.